Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get Google Chrome to remember your passwords automatically. This feature is super useful because it saves you time and helps you avoid the hassle of manually typing in your login credentials every time you visit your favorite websites. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three vertical dots there, which is the Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can configure everything from your appearance preferences to your privacy controls. The settings page is your central hub for managing how Chrome behaves and what features are enabled. Now, once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different categories listed vertically. From this panel, click on Autofill and Passwords. This section is specifically designed to handle all your password management needs, as well as other autofill features like saved addresses and payment methods. After clicking on Autofill and Passwords, you'll see several options appear in the main area of the settings page. Among these options, locate and click on Google Password Manager. This is Chrome's built-in password management system that securely stores and manages all your login credentials across different websites and services. Once you're inside the Google Password Manager interface, take a look at the left side panel again. You'll see another settings option specific to the Password Manager. Click on this settings option to access the configuration options that control how Chrome handles your passwords. This is where you'll find all the toggles and preferences that determine Chrome's password saving behavior. In the settings section of the Password Manager, you'll now see an option that says Offer to save passwords and passkeys. This is the key feature you're looking for. When this option is enabled, Chrome will automatically prompt you whenever you enter a password on a website, asking if you'd like to save it for future use. Right beside this text, you'll see a toggle button that controls whether this feature is on or off. Click on the toggle button to turn it on. You'll know it's activated when the toggle switches to the on position, usually indicated by a change in color. With this setting enabled, Chrome will now remember your passwords going forward and offer to save them whenever you log into websites. And that's it. You've successfully configured Google Chrome to remember your passwords. From now on, whenever you enter login credentials on a website, Chrome will ask if you want to save them, making your browsing experience much more convenient. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.